Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the types of data sources and connectors that are available in Power BI. In my previous video, I explained you about the interface of Power BI. In case you missed watching that video, I will drop that video in the iCard. You can go and watch it. So here is a note. The maximum number of data sources allowed per user is 1000 in Power BI. So let us go back to the Power BI and let us see how many data sources we have. So here I am in the home tab of Power BI and the white space which you are seeing here is called the Canva. So this is where you will be building the interactive dashboards with the help of data sources. So here you can see add data to your report. Power BI mainly works on the data sources. So here we have four data sources. So you can import data from Excel data source. You can also import data from SQL. You can also use the data from blank table and also sample data set. So there are two ways to connect data sources. So the first way is to click on this data source. The second way is if you go on the home tab, you will find this option called get data. So you need to simply click on this. And so here you can see these are the common data sources that everyone uses. So you can use Excel workbook, you can use Power BI dataset, you can use SQL Server, you can use analysis services, you can use CSV files, you can also use websites. So apart from this, there are many other data sources. So simply you need to click on this more. There you will see a bunch of data sources that you can connect to Power BI. Let us wait until it gets loaded. So here you can see under all, these are the data sources that Power BI supports, and you can also connect these data sources. And we have file data sources, so these are all file data sources. And we also have the databases that you can connect. We have SQL, we have Oracle database. So if you want to connect any database, then you can use this list of data sources. We also have the Power Platform, and we have also the Azure platform, Azure SQL database, and also we have the online services. And so we have Microsoft Exchange Online, Microsoft Dynamics 365. So all this you can connect using Power BI. So we also have Zoho Creator. So apart from this, there is also a list of other which is not categorized. So here also we have various options. We have Hadoop, we have Spark, and there are so many other options. We have Google Sheets as well. So in case if you are aware of the data source that you want to connect, then you can simply go and search here. Instead of looking at all the data sources, you can simply search for any data sources if you are aware of it. So for example, I want to connect Google Analytics. So here you can see you need to simply type this and you can click on this and simply you need to click on the connect button. Then the data source will get connected. We will see this how to connect this data source in our next video. So this is a brief explanation about the data sources that we have in Power BI. Apart from this, we will also look at the data section here in the home tab. So again, these were all the shortcuts. So all these are all the shortcuts that we had here. So you can connect Excel data hub, SQL Server, and you can also enter manual data here by copy and pasting. And in the recent sources, you will find the recent data sources that you have connected here, right? So this is the basic introduction of data sources and connectors that are available in Power BI. So in the next video, I will show you how to connect a data source with the help of a challenge, right? So if the video was helpful to you, then please like it and consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on Power BI. Thank you.